Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Jan, and almost 2 years ago, in January 22, I posted my 5th video on my channel. That was a restoration of the 55C Ford Galaxie Police Car. It was my first video that received more views than usual. This week I'm restoring another 55C police car, but this one is different. If you look closely you can see the blue beacon lying on the back seat. It was wedged inside the broken window when I picked it up from the toys bin at the recycling outlet, but eventually it came loose. Matchbox collectors know that this model with a blue beacon is very rare and valuable. Of course that is if it's in mint condition. Sadly this model is in a state that doesn't fetch a very high value. It has been painted over, the decals are gone and the window is cracked, so it will never be of value again. Nevertheless, I feel it's important to bring this rare variation back to its original state. With this I do want to stress that it's not, nor will it ever be my intention to sell this, at least not without mentioning that it's a restoration and not an original mint blue beacon Ford Galaxie. This channel and its content are for entertainment purposes only. Selling restored models as rare originals is a crime. So with this out of the way, let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. The regular wheels blue beacon Ford Galaxie Police Car is a rarity and a valuable model for collectors. Sadly, models like this lose their value when they are played with, and certainly if they are thoroughly worn and painted over like this one. The window was cracked, the axles were rusty, and the model was overall in a very sorry state. And here's our blue beacon Ford Galaxie after restoration. The car received a brand new coat of gloss white paint. The bottom plate was polished, the interior cleaned, and the missing policeman was put behind the wheel. The tow hook was broken off, and I decided to cut it off completely. There was also a chance to reuse the decals I designed earlier, and which can be found on my Ko-fi page. I'm not too happy about the replacement window. It's too thick and rough, but it's better than the cracked mess of the original window. If you enjoy my videos, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.